Dear students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss some MCQ from the chapter Areas Related to Circles. Question number 1. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 5.2 cm is 16.4 cm. Then the area of the sector is. So which one is the correct option? So we know the perimeter of a sector of a circle is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r. This is the perimeter of the sector. So here we have the radius of that sector of the circle, that's equal to 5.2 centimeter, that is small letter r equal to 5.2, and the perimeter of the sector also given 16.4. Then what is the next step? Theta by 360 into 2 pi into r. R means 5.2 plus 2r in 2r, 2 into 5.2. So these all are perimeter of a sector that is given, that is equal to 16.4. Then after calculation you will get theta by 360 pi is equal to 16.4 minus 10.4 all divided by 10.4. Then in the right side you will get, again calculating, you will get 6 by 10.4. Then area of sector of circle is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Substitute 6 by 10.4 in the place of theta by 360 into pi. That means 6 by 10.4 into 5.2 the whole square, that is the radius. Then you will get 15.6 centimeter square. So the option is C. Then question number 2. If the circumference and the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the diameter of the circle is. So this can be written as, here the circumference, that is 2 pi r, and the area of the circle, that is pi r square, both are equal. So 2 pi r is equal to pi r. Cancel pi and pi in the left side and right side. You will get 2r equal to r square. Then again you can cancel one more r. Then you will get r is equal to 2. So what is the diameter of the circle? Diameter means double of radius, that is 2r. That is 2 into 2, that's equal to 4. So the correct option is D. Then question number 3. If the difference between the circumference and radius of a circle is 37 centimeter, then using pi equal to 22 by 7, the circumference of the circle is. The question is given that difference between circumference and the radius of the circle, that is equal to, we can write 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37. Then here we have a common r, so taken outside. So this becomes 2 pi minus 1 into r is equal to 37. Then again r can be written as 37 divided by 2 pi minus 1. Then r can be written as 37 divided by 2 into pi means 22 by 7 minus 1. Again 2 into 2, 22 means 44 by 7. After this calculation you will get r is equal to 7 centimeter. So circumference of the circle means what? Here 2 pi r minus r is equal to 37. That means 2 pi r is equal to 37 plus r. That is 37 plus 7 is equal to 44. So the correct option is B. Then question number 4. A circular park has a path of uniform width around it. The difference between the outer and inner circumference of the circular path is 132 meter. Its width is. Here the question is given that outer circle and inner circle. So let capital letter R and small letter r be the radii of the outer and inner circles of the park. Then the circumference of this circus means 2 pi capital letter R minus 2 pi small letter r. Okay, 2 pi r minus 2 pi r, that's equal to given 132. From the equation you can take 2 pi outside. So 2 pi into r minus r, that's equal to 132. Again r minus r is equal to 132 into 7 all divided by 2 into 22, because we substitute pi equal to 22 by 7 in the place of pi. Okay, then after the calculation you will get 21. So width of the path is equal to 21 meter. The correct option is B. Then question number 5. The ratio of the areas of a circle and an equilateral triangle whose diameter and a side are respectively equal then is. So here we need to find the ratio of the areas of a circle and the triangle. Which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Okay. And its diameter of the circle and the side of the equilateral triangle are equal. So let us take the side of a equilateral triangle is equal to A, and the diameter of the circle is equal to small letter again A. Both are equal. Then the area of the equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square. Then radius is equal to A by 2. Then area of circle is equal to pi r square, that's equal to pi into A by 2 the whole square, that's equal to A square pi divided by 4. Then what is the ratio of the area of circle and equilateral triangle? A square pi by 4 is to root 3 by 4 A square. A square cut and 4 cut, then balance only pi is to root 3. So which is the correct option? B is the correct option. Okay. Question number 6. If the area of the sector of a circle bounded by an arc of length 5 pi centimeter is equal to 20 pi centimeter square, then its radius is. So here we have two measurements. One is length of the arc of the sector is equal to 5 pi and the area of the sector 20 pi centimeter square. We need to find the small letter r. Here we know theta by 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 5 pi. That's equal to, after the cancellation you will get r into theta by 360 into 5 by 2, equation number 1. Then area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square, that's equal to 20 pi. Pi cancel, you will get r square into theta by 360 is equal to 20. Then this equation can be modified by r square can be written as r into r into theta by 360, that's equal to 20. Already we know in the equation number 1 r into theta by 360 is equal to 5 by 2. Substitute in the place of r into theta by 360 is equal to 5 by 2. So r into 5 by 2 is equal to 20. Then r is equal to, you will get cross multiply 8. So the radius is equal to 8 centimeter. The correct option is C. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.